First, ensure your Tesla is updated to the latest software. Access the Settings menu on your car's touchscreen. Navigate to the Software section in your car's Settings menu and check for updates. You need at least version 2025.4 to access the native Amazon Music app. If an update is available, install it before proceeding. Older models, pre-2022, or regions outside of the US, UK, and Germany might still need to rely on sideloading or browser access. After installing the Amazon Music app, open it from your Tesla's touchscreen. Look for the Amazon Music icon in your app grid and tap it to launch the application. Once the app opens, you'll see a sign-in screen where you need to enter your Amazon account credentials. Use the on-screen keyboard to type your email address or phone number in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Make sure to use the same credentials you use for your Amazon Prime or Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. After entering your credentials, tap the Sign In button to authenticate your account and access the Amazon Music library. You can sign in with either an Amazon Prime account, which includes music streaming as part of the Prime benefits, or an Amazon Music Unlimited account for ad-free listening with higher quality audio. If your Tesla has Alexa enabled, you can link your Amazon account for enhanced voice control. This allows you to use voice commands like Alexa, play my playlist while driving. You can link the account through your car's settings menu or by using the Tesla mobile app on your phone. Now that you're logged in, explore the Amazon Music interface. You can browse your playlists, albums, songs, podcasts, and radio stations. The app integrates seamlessly with Tesla's audio system, allowing you to control the volume using the steering wheel buttons. Album art will be displayed on the central touchscreen. Take advantage of Tesla's Alexa integration for hands-free control. You can use voice commands to play your music without taking your hands off the wheel. Say commands like, Alexa, play my playlist on Amazon Music to start your favorite playlist. Or specify a song by saying, Alexa, play song title by artist name on Amazon Music for precise playback. The voice commands are now more reliable due to improved natural language processing, making interactions smoother and more accurate. This hands-free feature helps you stay focused on the road while enjoying your favorite tunes. Amazon Music in your Tesla can stream through Wi-Fi or the vehicle's built-in cellular data. For the best experience with HD audio reaching up to 320 kbps, connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible. Tesla's cellular option uses the built-in SIM card or your phone's hotspot for consistent connectivity on the go. Keep in mind that streaming music consumes data. HD audio typically uses about 2 GB per hour, so monitor your data usage carefully if you're not on an unlimited plan to avoid unexpected charges. Tesla offers unlimited data plans, such as the $99 per year subscription, which are often bundled with premium music services to ensure worry-free streaming on all your drives. This ensures you can enjoy high-quality audio without interruptions, making your Tesla drives even more enjoyable. If you experience buffering in rural areas, try downloading your music for offline playback, available for premium subscribers. Ensure your Tesla's software remains updated for optimal performance. If you have privacy concerns, Tesla ensures that data isn't shared without your consent, complying with GDPR regulations. If you encounter any issues, refer to Tesla's official support documentation for model-specific instructions. Enjoy streaming Amazon Music in your Tesla.